What's up? What's up? It's your girl, Queen, aka KP. I already know as your girl, KP, Queen. What's up? We at the bank and you see how dirty this is. It's so dirty. I can't even touch it. So, what I'm gonna do is, because I don't like to touch anything, I'm gonna get my hand sanitizer wipes. And I wish I had something to set my phone on so you guys can see it, but we're gonna just pull a couple wipes from there, and then I'm gonna use my left hand as you guys see, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna just completely, I'm gonna hit English, and I'm gonna clean the screen real quick, because guess what? I cannot do this. I cannot touch the screen, and it's filthy, dirty, and nasty. And Suncoast know they supposed to be coming out here cleaning these cleaning numbers too while you're at it. Just see, all you gotta do is clean the numbers like that, so somebody else can touch it, because it's nasty out here.
Thank you for coming to Suncoast. My name is Juanita. How can I help you today?
Yes, I want to cash a check. Are we still in morning?
Can you text your member number or full social?
Alright, sorry. I'm trying to clean the screen because it is disgusting. You hear me?
Oh.
It's like they never clean the screen out here. So yeah. You should follow me on YouTube too.
YouTube?
Yeah, look for me. My name is Crystal with the K. Krystal. Pate Love LOVE. So yeah. Yeah, Crystal Pate Love. Oh my, I need to get a better.
And then your ID or driver's license.
Alright, so sometimes we have to be considerate of the next person when we go somewhere, because some people don't do that. And you have to do that. Like, the screen is dirty, clean it for the next person. It won't hurt you if you have a clean wipe where you can clean. Just clean it. Just clean it. That's all you gotta do. So yeah, I'm at Suncoast Credit Union in Tampa, Florida, off of Manhattan. And I wanted to clean the screen because I don't want to touch nothing dirty. I just want to deposit. I want to cash a check. 2 checks. Okay. Thank you. And how's your day going so far?
Good, how's yours?
I can't complain. So yeah, I was looking for my other debit card, which I can't never find. No matter how hard you try, we
Did you
just
want it in one bill or did you want 20?
Yeah, you can give me some 20s, it'll be fine, please. Cause we haven't finished. Yeah. So yeah, if you go somewhere and you see something is dirty, you can be nice. Wait, it costs nothing to be kindness. It costs you nothing to be kind. So you can just simply clean it. And I got my little moolah, baby. It ain't much, but it's finna go to something. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Problem. Have a great rest of your day.
Have a good holidays. Take care, my love. So it costs you nothing to be nice. So yeah, if you go to the bank and you see it's kind of dirty, just clean it. Clean it for the next person. And I'm gonna clean it one more time because I just used it. And look, I got these wipes from my mom, my godmother, which I call her mother. Her name is Potter. She gave me these wipes and I like them. So yeah, now I'm just finna leave. I'm finna take a clean wipe, as you see, and I'm finna re-clean this. I don't need help with anything. I'm just gonna clean this down for the next person. So, you know, other people have to touch this, which they don't think about, and they don't come out here and clean this. You know what I'm saying? Don't nobody want to be touching nothing all dirty and nasty. I clean this too because a lot of people have to put checks and receive cash out of that part. You know what I'm saying? And clean this, look right here, and this and that, and especially this. And then I'll clean that up too. I don't know what I just did. I don't want to do that. I just want to clean it. It's not my job from Suncoast, but clean it. It won't hurt. Alright, it's your girl Queen back with another video, and I am at Suncoast Credit Union, as you guys see. And I cleaned the screen because it costs nothing to be kindness. It costs nothing to be kindness. It costs nothing to be nice. And oh, let me show you the beautiful trees. Such good energy. And it's good having good energy. Try to surround yourself around some positive people. Surround yourself around some people who love you with the light that you bring. And have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl KP doing something kindness. Bye.